the idea here is that the old days where I would have to pick up the phone and get somebody there to sort of match me up with another buyer or seller, those days are gone.
Well, last time you had to pick up the phone, right? You had to figure out whether those people wanted to buy the bonds, but now you have a whole algorithm that'll tell you who might want to buy them.
Okay.
So what's happening here is instead of making 5 calls a day, you might need to make only 3 or 2.
So is this like the algorithms that helps Joe pick out his ties? Or what exactly is this?
I think of it as Tinder for bonds.
Tinder?
Yeah, it's like a matchmaking service.
So that being said, like attempts to bring automation and sort of electronic trading to the bond market, this is not new, the attempts. But nothing has really worked that well so far, right?
In forever, right?
People have been trying forever.
Forever. But, right now, I think a lot has changed. There are people who are making very big pushes. All the folks that have really electronified the stock trading market have kind of moved over now and are working on fixed income also. And you can't do everything, right? The liquidity profile is different.
Right.
The ticket sizes are different. But there's certainly a number of things you can do. And remember, FIC in a bank is very broad. It's fixed income, it's currencies, it's rates, it's a broader subset.
And so we mentioned UBS and HSBC, but we know most banks, I mean, not only in the U.S., but in Europe as well, they've been making a lot of hires that are less about sort of the financial folks and more about engineers and quants and folks who can sort of create these sort of black boxes, right?
That's exactly right. And take Morgan Stanley, for example, because it's one of the biggest efforts they're making is to make this an electronic market. Their stock trading business is what made them the #1 in the world by focusing on the electronic aspect, and now they're really focusing on fixed income as well.
Okay. And do they know you're referring to this as the Tinder? Maybe it's like eHarmony.
I
Isn't that a
just
little
thought
bit more
of it.
wholesome?
Yeah, I agree with you.
I don't know. Anyway.